Good morning students. Today we will discuss question number 4 and 5 of exercise 2.3. Question 4 is on dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial gx. The quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find gx. Beta, in this question we will find gx. Gx means divisor. It means we want to find the divisor and quotient and remainder already given. The value of quotient is x minus 2 and value of remainder is minus 2x plus 4. For finding the divisor, we will use division algorithm. And division algorithm is, yes beta, these things are given. Px given, gx we have to find, qx is x minus 2 and rx is minus 2x plus 4. It means gx is our divisor and x की 3 minus 3x square plus x plus 2 is dividend, x minus 2 quotient and minus 2x plus 4 is remainder. Now we will apply the division algorithm. Now dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. This is division algorithm. Now dividend is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 and divisor is gx and quotient is x minus 2 plus remainder is minus 2x plus 4. Beta, you know very well, if we want to find any value, we will keep that value in one side and other values we will take to another side. So in this question, we will take minus 2x plus 4 to the left hand side. So we will take x square plus x plus 2. Here minus 2x, it becomes plus 2x. Here plus 4, it becomes minus 4 and gx multiply x minus 2. Now we will solve the left hand side by adding or subtracting the like terms. So x3 as it is minus 3x square. Here x and plus 2x both are like terms. We can add them. So it becomes 3x and here plus 2 minus 4 it becomes minus 2. Now gx multiply x minus 2. Now we will take x minus 2 to the left hand side. Now it is in multiplication. We take to left hand side in division. Now it becomes x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 is equal to gx. Now we can find gx by division of x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. Beta, when you will divide this polynomial, then you will get some quotient. That quotient is the value of gx. In this way you will solve this question. Yes beta, question 5 is give examples of polynomial px, gx, qx and rx which satisfy the division algorithm. Beta, you all are aware about the px. Px means dividend, gx means divisor, qx means quotient and rx means remainder. And first part is we have to give the example in which degree of px is equal to degree of qx. In second part we have to give one example in which degree of gx is equal to degree of rx, and in third part we have to give one example in which degree of rx is 0. For solving this question, beta, we will use one trick. You have to remember one polynomial which satisfy all three parts of this question. Now the polynomial is, yes beta, you have to remember this polynomial. Px is equal to 2x plus 5. This polynomial you have to remember. Now we will break this 5 in two parts, 4 plus 1. So we can write this polynomial 2x plus 4 plus 1. Now from these two terms we will take common 2 and it becomes x plus 2 plus 1. Now first part, 2x plus 5. It is px is equal to 2 into x plus 2 plus 1. Beta here px is 2x plus 5, 2 is gx we will take, and x plus 2 we will take as a qx, and 1 is remainder we will take as a rx. Now we will observe, if we will divide 2x plus 5, it is px by qx. Qx means 2. If we will divide, then question is it goes on x. So if we multiply x with 2, we will get 2x. Now sign will be changed. It becomes 0. Now we will take 5. Now it goes on 2 to the 4, and 4 remainder is 1. You will observe remainder is 1, x plus 2 as a qx, 2 as a gx, and 2x plus 5 is px. Now beta, you will observe degree of qx. What is the degree of qx? Here 1. And what is the degree of px? Here also 1. It means this example satisfy our first part. What is the first part? Degree of px is equal to degree of qx. With the help of this example, we have proved this part. Yes, beta. In second part, we have to give the example in which degree of qx means quotient, is equal to degree of rx means remainder. So we will write this question 2x plus 5 as a px is equal to 2 into x plus 2 plus 1. Now here we will change these values. So how to write? 2x plus 5 as it is, and x plus 2 we will write first, then 2 and plus 1. It means here px is 2x plus 5, gx is x plus 2, and qx is 2, and remainder same, that is rx. Now question will become, if we will divide 2x plus 5 by gx, what is the value of gx here? X plus 2. Now beta, it goes on 2. Here x, so it goes on 2. We will multiply 2 with x plus 2. You know very well, 2x plus 2 to the 4. Now we will change the sign. It becomes 0, and it is remainder 1. Now what you observe here, qx is 2, and gx is x plus 2, and px is 2x plus 5. Yes beta, this question satisfy our this part. Degree of qx. What is the degree of qx? Here it is constant number, and we know very well degree of constant number is 0, and here remainder is also constant. It means degree of remainder is also 0. So in this way we have proved degree of qx is equal to degree of rx. Yes beta. In third part we have to give the example in which degree of rx will be 0. So now you have observed in first and second part you got remainder 1. It means in both part the degree of remainder is 0. So we can take any example. You can take this example and you can take this example. Any one example we will write in third part. In this way we have solved this question number 5. Yes beta, your chapter 2 has been completed, and I hope you all have understood this chapter. The remaining question of exercise 2.4 we will do